I'll show you the easiest way to upload a file to S3 in AWS. Whether you're looking to back up important data or share files across your team, the Amazon S3 service offers a reliable and user-friendly solution. Let's dive right into the process and make file uploading a breeze for you. First, navigate your way to the S3 dashboard in your AWS console. This is where you'll manage all your storage needs. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice a prominent orange button that says Upload. This button is your gateway to adding files to your S3 buckets, so go ahead and give it a click. Now you have a couple of options for adding your files. The first method is the drag and drop option. If you're someone who likes simplicity and speed, this is a great choice. Simply open the folder on your local computer where your files or folders are stored. Then, click and hold your mouse button to drag the files over to the S3 console web screen layout. Release the mouse button to drop them. It's as easy as that. This method works well if you have a handful of files or even an entire folder to upload quickly. If you prefer a more traditional approach, you can opt for the manual select method. For this, look for the Add Files or Add Folder buttons on the console. Clicking these buttons will open a dialog, allowing you to browse through your local computer's directory grid. Here, you can select the specific files or folders you want to upload. This method might be more precise if you need to upload particular files and ensure nothing extra gets included. Once you've added your files using either method, you'll see them appear in a temporary queue table layout on the screen. This is a handy feature, as it lets you review what's been selected before finalizing the upload. Take a moment to double-check that all the necessary files are there and that you're not missing anything important. After reviewing your queue, you're all set to complete the upload process. This is typically a straightforward step involving a few confirmations and clicks to ensure everything is in order. Once you give the go-ahead, AWS will take care of the rest, securely transferring your files to your S3 bucket. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully uploaded your files to S3 in AWS. Remember, this process is designed to be flexible and accommodating, whether you're handling a single file or a batch of data. Using S3 for your storage needs not only ensures security, but also provides easy access to your files whenever you need them. With AWS's scalable solutions, you can rest assured that your data storage can grow alongside your requirements. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides like this one. Happy uploading, and see you in the next video.